Despite recent additions and alterations to menus, fast food remains a flat belly nightmare. We know the food is shortening our lives and expanding our waistlines, and yet, every day 9.6 million Americans visits one of these chains. That's why we've rounded up 20 recipes that flawlessly mimic the guilty parties, but won't leave you with high cholesterol and rolls of belly fat. You're welcome. 1 Chicken Nuggets Nutrition, 258 calories, 14.1 grams fat, 2.2 grams saturated, 65 milligrams sodium, 8.7 grams carbs, 2.4 grams fiber, less than 1 gram sugar, 24.5 grams protein, calculated without salt. These golden nuggets are crusted with almonds, one of the best nuts for a lower BMI. In fact, a 2003 study demonstrated that munching on these nuts left dieters more satisfied and less likely to overeat, thus increasing weight loss. Get the recipe from Gimme Some Oven. 2 CHEESEBURGER sliders. Nutrition, 267 calories, 11 grams fat, 5.3 grams saturated, 328 milligrams sodium, 15 grams carbs, 1 gram fiber, 3.3 grams sugar, 25.5 grams protein, calculated without butter and salt. Cheeseburgers are like the epitome of fast food. But a typical order from your local fast food chain can take a serious hit on your nutritional bank, withdrawing scary amounts of calories and saturated fats. Next time you find yourself craving a juicy burger or two, make these instead. Just make sure to opt for grass-fed beef. It's naturally leaner, has fewer calories and contains higher levels of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Get the recipe from Savory Simple. 3 cheddar, ranch, chicken and bacon melt. Nutrition, 462 calories, 15.4 grams fat, 5.5 grams saturated, 703 milligrams sodium, 24.6 grams carbs, 4 grams fiber, 3.9 grams sugar, 54.7 grams protein, calculated with 1 ounce cheddar. Despite their claim to fame, Subway's version isn't gonna help you drop a pants size. In fact, with 610 calories, 30 grams of fat and 1,290 milligrams of sodium, it's more likely to leave you unbuttoning your jeans. Skip the questionable ingredients and expanding waistline, and make this version at home instead. Get the recipe from Real Food by Dad. 4 French fries. Nutrition, 202 calories, 7.2 grams fat, 1 gram saturated, 11 milligrams sodium, 32.3 grams carbs, 4.1 grams fiber, 1.4 grams sugar, 3.7 grams protein. 1 serving of these potato wedges contains 61% of your daily vitamin C quota, a vitamin that keeps more than the occasional sniffles away. In fact, C has also been shown to elevate mood and counteract the stress hormones that leave you feeling tense and trigger the storage of belly fat. Get the recipe from To Her Core. 5 Egg McMuffin. Nutrition, 237 calories, 9.9 grams fat, 4.2 grams saturated, 492 milligrams sodium, 27 grams carbs, 8 grams fiber, 2 grams sugar, 18.4 grams protein, calculated with reduced sodium.